This is a Rotoflex bed, an electronically operated adjustable bed that provides powered rotation for assistance getting in and out of bed. Made by UK-based TerraPosture and built with German engineering, the Rotoflex bed has been developed and perfected over a 20-year span to ensure it meets its clients' needs. The 3-foot rotating bed is electronically operated to profile, rotate and raise the platform. With just a touch of a button, an individual can move from an upright to a laying down position. It also reduces stress and strain when standing up or sitting down. Its ergonomic design with simple controls assists with a vertical seat lift for safe controlled sit-to-stand transfers. It's also equipped with a state-of-the-art powered rising heel support for total elevated leg support. A Rotoflex bed is especially beneficial to the elderly as well as individuals with neurological conditions such as Parkinson's and MS. This life-changing rotating bed allows for more independence while reducing the number of caregivers needed from 2 to none. This applies to individuals who only require help with getting into and out of bed at their home. It also lowers care costs with savings of up to £27,000 or $37,000 a year, the company explains. There are several versions of the Rotoflex bed that accommodates an array of different needs and requirements. These include the Rotoflex 235 Mark II, a 90 cm rotational bed suitable for a wide range of mobility needs and requirements. The Rotoflex 235 Mark II Low, which is the lowest Rotoflex in the range, is suited to smaller users 5'3" in height or less. The Rotoflex 200 Mark II bespoke beds are tailor-made rotating beds in a variety of sizes and styles for one person or a couple. The Rotoflex Low 200 is a low-access rotating bed for smaller or shorter users. The Rotocare 175 and Rotocare Low 175 are both a manual turning bed system with powered profiling and variable height. Lastly, the Rotoflex 300 Heavy Duty, which offers assured bariatric support for users weighing up to 250 kg. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.